Kuzambo, welcome to my blog. Today we marked the result declaration for the midterm exam. Dari watching ngachi loche gi chonjo gi dupde di saldabe de ngada ni gi charo di ngachi gi award team se serana me gi desen na beni digi ngachi genkudi gachi mo se wachin genkudi dari nim tsung di ki chadi pura ngachi gi begopi dana tato ru kongputsu sugi ngachi lo charo bede. And that's me and my team displaying the awards and the prizes for the day. We made sure that everything is arranged as per the sequence so that we don't mix up all the prizes. Ngachi pagi prizes arrange based hashimnale dele ngachi gi alu angdamba ni basumba thomi disu kara chichin jambe yangi kindulu chai the dina kongara na zomshimnale ro madam principal gi kalup sampona dele khong disu lo dato sense dupdele jim thomi di kara ngachi gi lam kencho sum gi thuji ta ngachi ra pham lebe kara gi japju gi be ise de lam kencho sum di jenira myong se hansum kalup na shimnale alugara lo kami pichi. So we have 57 toppers, first, second, third from grade 8 till 12. All of them offered butter lamb, and they offered prayers for the blessing from the Manjushri. Aldisugi kami chimi pishimnale alurere shindui kami pishimnale tajjiten jambe yanlo seutap shim tatto sense chonju ke udalo delen cholhabi dilo kanye bachi kane majun nidigi aldisukara gi kajin gatso sam nigi denle tatto sense tuji jinlap gibe yönten desolation be talkeni gidenne then ani gibe al desukara kami phichui. So once the offering of the butter lamp and the prayers is done, ma'am principal gave the tashilek the khada to the toppers. The datui thonang sumchi bewachin ma'am principal gi tashilebi khada ngachi alu angdamba ni ba suba thome aldu desukara lo rere shindo tashilebi gi khada di melam da cheppe kuno rere shindo be nai te ani bewachin sonom yeze ba khoya ang dambani ba sumba gi desena bini khora cha surula me tamanga nale pa ototo ki marese because the scout leaders are going to escort our students from this Manjushri shrine to towards Shabdung Phodang. So this is the scene where the toppers coming out of the Manjushri shrine and they were escorted by the scout leaders towards the Shabdung Awang Namgyal's Phodang. Tani thonang di bewaching achi scout leaders gibe achi angdamba ni bas sumba thomi diso tashilebi khada di pa jiten jambe yangi kundule khada shushim nale phabe pa Shabdung Awang Namgyal gi Phodang gi ani nalu jowi gi thonai. So this is the Shabdung Awang Namgyal's Phodang. We believe that whatever is happening good in our school, the success the school is enjoying is all because of the blessing of the Shabdung Awang Namgyal. And the children, the toppers, they have gathered here to once again offer their prayers for all the blessing they have received till date. So that was since Lam Ngawang Namgyal Lam Shabdung Awang Namgyal khatule ngachulo namisami tuji de jinlap shushu beni digi ani ki aldusugi cha chebe anal melam taboi. After that, once again the scout leaders escorted the students from the Shabdung Awang Namgyal Phodang towards the assembly ground. Tani thonang ne bachin toranga chiregi scout leaders ki benga chigi 앙담바 니바 숨바 토미 알루디소 야 샵중 나왕남기기 포장기나 레베 마치라기 assembly ground 텐슈 칸나로 어 키조이기 토나이 데 텐슈 칸나 베와진데 코나기 차로디스유 델레 코나기 펌디스 대안나도 알도스 빠냠기 톨레베 코나 차로다 펌기 동칼레 야레 다시 레비 카드 슈베 조비 토나메 데 아네베 뒤칭아치 마루치베 베네디기로 봄지기 같은 가서 슈어 텐데 뒤치니 나 레베디스 아네베 같이 배차 행기 찐두게 게디 랍니세 나부기 잡자함치 제우다 같이 베마츠기 싸고 미 같이 베수제 데 아니 토나니 베와진 Aludisu Angdambani Basumbagi Serangi. So this year we decided that during the midterm examination we will not give certificates to the toppers, because what we have found or what we have noticed is that those children who go for scholarship or for any interview, midterm examination or the unit test certificate do not carry much value or do not have much worth. So we decided that instead of spending money on the certificates which do not carry much value, so it's better we give them the prizes in kind. So duchani bendi ngachigi lakhir maji lochegi chonjuda dele ani unit test ki na lodi ngachi lakhir maji mashanibe anebe ngachi sugi tweda chi gachi moso chani lakhidi namsami gobe mindu de lakhir gadi khache so chun loju du da gi lakhir din namsam khache de loju du da ben de lakhir choji kebera alusu de tenibe beni di tuchunga chi lakhir maji de datoi thonna sumchi be wachinda alu angdamba niba sumba thomi desu khonagi sera shuwe game de sera dia khonagi class teacher mentors dele khonagi pham da chi khabe shuwe thona in se shuni be in. So this is the scene where the academic toppers are receiving their prizes from their class teacher and the parent. Oh yeah, this year we also decided to give or award badge for the toppers. So they need to take care of their badge, because if during the next term exam, that is the second unit test, they have to make sure that they don't lose the badge, because if they lose their position, they are going to lose their badge too. So this is one of the strategy we have used to make sure that children they retain their position, and those children who have not achieved the position, they are encouraged to achieve the position. They are motivated to take over the position from their friends. So sense of competition is built up by that particular awarding of the badge. And this is me signing off. I try to record my voice, but somehow I don't know, the battery got dead, and it seems that my voice is not recorded. So I'm doing the voiceover. So thank you very much for watching my blog. I'll keep entertaining you, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much once again for watching.